Listen up, you donkey. Welcome to a culinary journey that'll blow your mind. We're diving deep into the heart of Mexican cuisine. We're talking vibrant colors, explosive flavors, and recipes that have been passed down for generations. Get ready to learn, you Muppets, because today, we're tackling the most iconic dishes that define this incredible culture. Right, you lot, let's talk tacos. I'm not talking about that soggy, pathetic excuse you get from the supermarket. We're talking about a revelation on a plate. First, you need properly marinated meat, none of that bland, overcooked rubbish. We're talking juicy, flavorful carne asada, tender carnitas, or spicy chorizo. Then, you need the right tortillas, warm, soft, and pliable. None of that dry, cracking nonsense. And don't even get me started on the toppings. Fresh cilantro, diced onions, a squeeze of lime, it's all about balance. Get those elements right, and you've got yourself a taco that'll make you weep with joy. Next up, we're hitting the streets for some elote Mexican street corn that'll rock your world. Imagine this, perfectly grilled corn on the cob, slathered in a creamy, cheesy sauce and dusted with chili powder. It's messy, it's delicious, and it's the ultimate street food snack. The key is to get that char on the corn. That smoky flavor is what sets it apart, and don't be shy with the toppings. The more cheese, the better. One bite of this, and you'll understand why it's a Mexican icon. Chapter 3. Tamales. A festive tradition. Now let's get serious. Tamales, these little parcels are a labor of love, but trust me, they're worth the effort. We're talking about steamed masa dough, filled with savory meats or sweet fillings, all wrapped up in corn husks. It's a dish steeped in tradition, often served during holidays and special occasions. The process can be a bit fiddly, spreading the masa, adding the filling, wrapping it all up, but the end result is pure magic. The aroma of tamales steaming away is enough to make your mouth water. Chapter 4. Pozole, the soul of Mexico. Listen up, you hungry lot. Pozole is not just soup, it's a celebration in a bowl. This hearty stew is packed with flavor and history, simmered for hours to develop its rich, complex taste. We're talking about tender pork, plump hominy, and a symphony of spices that'll warm you from the inside out. Don't forget the toppings, shredded cabbage, diced radishes, a squeeze of lime. It all adds to the experience. This is the kind of dish that brings people together, perfect for sharing with family and friends. Chapter 5. Churros, the sweet finale. Finally, let's end this culinary adventure on a sweet note. Churros, those crispy golden sticks of fried dough dusted with cinnamon sugar, they're the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth. The secret to perfect churros is piping the dough directly into hot oil, creating those signature ridges. And don't be afraid to go heavy on the cinnamon sugar. The more, the merrier. One bite, and you'll be transported to a land of pure sugary bliss. Well, there you have it, you bunch of hungry hippos. A crash course in the most iconic Mexican dishes. Hopefully you've learned a thing or two today, and are inspired to get in the kitchen and start cooking. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures, and until next time, keep those taste buds tingling.